Hi, my people. How you guys doing today? I salute every one of you. But this is a very pathetic story right here. How a young girl, they die. Make I use pigeon to analyze this one due to the sensitivity where they follow this video, they go. How young girl take by a boss. The mama cry out, brother cried out. And at the end of the day, they don't see the body. Even police involved, police lied to them that the body is in the mortuary. They demanded to go see the body. They carried them go mortuary. And then they come see say, person wey dey inside the coffin, not be their daughter or their sister. The whole story is so heartbreaking. Very heartbreaking. And the reason why these things are continuing to happen, now when we did talk, say, it not concern me, it not concern me. Who knows next? Let's listen to this story, my people.
Good morning, Nigerians. Please, I really need you people's help, and I really need every voice that I can actually get right now in this very case. On the 13th of February, my kid sister, her boss actually called her from home back to work on the 13th of February at Utaku where she works, and after a long day, we happened to maybe now try to reach out to her, and we couldn't get to her. So after we looked for her for some days, information now got to us that the boss has killed her. Fast forward to today like this now, the woman acknowledged that she has killed the girl. But unfortunately, till now like this, now the body we went to the morgue to see, the body the police people showed us is not that of my sister. I know my sister and my mom knows her daughter too. We've examined the body, and that corpse that they show us is not my sister. But up till now, even after our testimony and telling the authorities that the body we saw is not that of my sister, they are still trying to maybe compromise the case in every different angles. The people involved are also trying to compromise the case. Please, I need every helping hand that I can get. My mom is actually a widow, and my sister is just 19 years old. I've actually done every possible thing I can do to see that maybe I can even come up with any solution. I don't have anyone to run to. Please, I need Nigerians to maybe give me a voice here. Please, VDM or anybody that I can get, please. I don't have anybody to run to. Please, I beg you, come to my help.
Well, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I bet the person when they call you now, may you come see the girl. The dead body where you see that your daughter.
No, it's not my daughter. It's not my daughter. It didn't even look like my daughter because all the sign that I have, she's the only daughter that I have. So it was on 13th February. That was her off day. She's at home where her boss called her. Then I said, when I was asking her who is calling, he said my boss said I should, my madam, she said I should come back in the evening to work. I said, tell her now, why don't you tell her that today is your off day? You have a lot of things to do. You wash clothes. So it was in the evening. She said, okay. It was in the evening when she's planning to go. I asked her. She said she's about to go. Then I said, do you know what make me to feel like that? I don't like people entering night because of what is happening now. Said, okay, mommy, when I read there, I'll call you. When she read there, she called me. That mommy, I've read there. She left home around that kind 6:30 to 7. It was Otako here, and I was living at a life camp. So it's not far. So when she read, she called me. Then I said, okay. So when I didn't see her that
She
day,
called us. She told us that she has arrived
she
at our
has arrived
workplace
at
of
our
work.
working place.
We talked to her like 30 minutes. It's just to tackle from life camp here, so
So
it's
when
not a
the
far
following
distance.
day, when I didn't see her that day, the following morning, my phone is off. I asked her brother to call her. He called her. They said the phone is switched off. I called her when
We
I
tried her
charged my
number
phone. They said the
throughout
phone
the
is
whole
switched off.
day. The number was
So
switched off. So
I
in the
said,
evening, we
Mama,
decided to
my
go to
daughter
that place.
doesn't off her phone like that because she has power bank with her. So I called her. I said, let's go to Otako. Me and my son, we went to Otako. On reaching their working place, we called. They said the madam is not around. I called her madam because I have the number. She said she's at Kedna. I said, where is my daughter? You called her since yesterday, and I did not see her. I've been calling her. The phone is switched off. She said, no, yesterday was her off day. She didn't call her. I said, don't tell me that you are the one that called her. So she started making argument with me. Then my son now collect the phone and talk to her that, okay, don't worry. If you are the one that first reached her, you should let them know that if they first reach my daughter, they will call you.
Since it hasn't gotten to 24 hours, I told her that we should just wait.
So
We should
we didn't see her the following day, the same thing. I called her in the morning when I was even going to Life Camp police station to go and make report. I called her. She didn't call me. I'm the one that continue calling her that I never see my daughter. I said okay. So reaching there again, they collect the phone, her phone number and call her. She said she's at Kaduna. Her madam said she's at Kaduna. She will come. They said she should come in next Saturday around that country that she's supposed to be in Abuja. I said okay. She didn't come. Later, I called her that you didn't come. She said she came to Abuja, something else happened. Then she went back to Kaduna. I said, what is that is so important to you that my daughter? We are talking of life, somebody's life. He said something happened. What happened that make you to go back? Then when my son returned back from work, I now told her. She said she's the one that called. When she called her, she said she's in Abuja now. I said this is what she told me, that it was on Monday.
She called me that she has got
on Monday that she will come back.
She asked me which station is that. I told her. Then she said okay, no problem. I even told her that if she need me to direct her to the station, then she said
that she will come back on Monday.
That she knows the place. Then when I got home, my mom now told me that she said it's on Monday that she's coming. So, I was even telling my mom that maybe
on reaching there, now reaching the police station at Gwarimpa, they said they are the one that start the case. How the case get to SARS office, IRT. So I said we are called there. Somebody called me, a strange number or no number that I don't know that.
They actually reached out to me and tipped me up that
we should come.
So we should that's how we even noticed that we now got to even.
On reaching there now, we now saw the madam. They said she's the one that killed. I said you kill my daughter. So the following day now we went to Dagwarimpa. They refused to give us the cup that very day. The following morning we went there with my people. So they take us to the. I said, as this thing happened, is there any picture that you took there in that place? They said yes. They showed me the picture. I said, this is not my daughter now. So they said, okay, what we should do now? They should help me or what? I said, no. Let's go to the mortuary so that when I see the body, I will identify it that if it is my daughter. They said I will go. I said yes. Now why wouldn't I go? I will go there. So on reaching the mortuary at Kubua. They said it is Kubua mortuary. On reaching there, what the cup they show me is not of my daughter. We are even up to 8 that enter mortuary, including 2 policemen that follow us there.
Me, my mom, my elder brother, all of us.
So all of us, we around the body. We check everywhere. It didn't look. It's not my daughter.
She knows her daughter.
So the policewoman said, "Did I have the picture of my daughter?" I said yes. I now removed the picture and showed the policewoman. I said no, this is not. She's not the same person. Even
they even told us that the very corpse that we saw there was brought in there on the 17th
of January.
Then they asked us how old is she and what tribe is my sister. So we told them that my sister is Ebira and she's 19 years old.
19 years
then
old.
The lady now said, this corpse is a Kaduna.
It's Kaduna. It's
and even an older person. My sister is not chubby. She's very moderate. Then then the corpse we saw there is
so from
that
there now
is a chubby person and very, very.
Since that day, I've been walking up and down. They still take me from that IRT. They were looking for the woman that owned that hotel to come.
When
the woman refused to come.
She's on the run. She said if they want to see her, they should transfer the case to First CID. As I'm talking to you now, the case is already at First CID. And
so when I was going there, since they didn't take me serious, they take me for granted.
The case
my people from the village, my people, they now follow me to there. Then they said they should give them their daughter alive or the cuff because they can't say they have. She can't say she has killed her, and they will not give her the cuff. So from there, she write petition to IRT, Barakate, and demand. Command and the first CID headquarters. So it's just almost five petitions.
The IG
then they were the one that first call us.
The petition. So that right now the case is being handled.
They were the one that first call us.
So but please, I need Nigerians to help me because with every fact that is going on now, we've actually done everything possible.
They have taken me to the mortuary 3 times.
It's not
and the corpse is not my sister.
I know my daughter. My mom knows my daughter. I know
and now they said that she go and
I know her birth mark that she has. We've checked the corpse. It's not as if we are scared of the corpse. I have entered there multiple times to show you that these people are trying to compromise this case. at a point that they want to maybe go to the morgue and the crime scene, they didn't know that I've already gone there before with
They said my son should not go with
I should not come, that they should not allow me to come with them. That maybe if I get there are some certain things that I will see that maybe I will react. So it's everything they are doing is just showing that they are trying to cover up a lot of things. Please, I need Nigerians to help me as much as possible, because as I talk to you right now, I don't have anything to turn to anything. I don't have any, like for the past 4 months. I don't have anything to do again. I don't know where to run to again. These people are people that I believe that these people are actually into trafficking. So they are just trying to cover up, and they are making it look like a crime, murder case. She that is acknowledging to murder is just trying to acknowledge that she murdered her, just to divert the attention of the main crime they are doing. Please, I need Nigerians to come to my help. Please, VDM, I need you people to help me. Please,
I really need your help. Help me.
Thank you very much.
I'm a widow. These children are very small. Small. When I lost my husband, I trained them up to this level. She's in the university. She's in second year in the university.
You see, the problem where they happen for this country is very, very huge. Things are happening. A lot of people are in pains. A lot of families are in agony. You see what happen to this girl, so if now well-known family now for happen, yes, we don't know what is up. But when it happen to less family we not get money, at the end of the day, that's what we all do this thing. This family, they not go get justice. What be this? It's very heartbreaking. Very, very heartbreaking. I'm speechless. I don't know what you think about this, but let's learn from each other. Put it in the comment section. Let's hear from you. This is Naija Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about what is affecting us. When I say let's talk about what is affecting us, it's what is affecting us. Let's continue to talk about it. Maybe somehow, someday, we'll get the solution that you and I have been craving for. Take care, guys, and bye for now.